Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by loading your clips and matching the sequence to your source. This avoids resampling artifacts. Open Lumetri scopes now so you can watch changes in real time: waveform for exposure, RGB parade for balance, vector scope for skin tones. Put an adjustment layer above the edit to work non-destructively. This makes comparisons simple. You'll also want a reference frame from a good shot. Once you have that, you can target its look across the entire sequence. Begin primary correction. Set overall exposure first, bring down highlights, open shadows, and adjust midtones until the waveform shows headroom. Next, fix white balance with temp and tint so neutral grays sit on the vector scope center. This avoids strange color casts later. Tweak contrast and saturation conservatively and watch the RGB parade to ensure no channel dominates. Once balanced, add subtle sharpening and noise reduction only if necessary. These affect perceived color and should come after basic corrections. For look creation, apply a LUT or adjust curves and color wheels for mood. Reduce LUT intensity with the mix slider to keep skin natural. Once done, render a short test in your delivery codec and review on multiple displays to confirm consistency. If you encounter banding or posterization, add a tiny amount of grain or dither and re-export. That smooths transitions. If colors still shift, revisit white balance and confirm color space settings in export. Make sure to compare using your scopes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.